Have you ever wondered what keeps the lights on in our cities? Who silently watches over our daily lives behind the scenes? There is such a group of people. They are like relentless eagles, soaring on wings high in the sky, dancing above the clouds, struggling to ensure the safety of the power grid. Xingxiao will bring you a closer look at the stories of these eagle warriors. They are wearing safely insulated protective clothing, sturdy helmets, holding precision testing instruments, stepping on solid safety shoes, carrying heavy tools, bravely counting on the high transmission lines. Their mission is to ensure the safe operation of high voltage lines. They are the guardians of the high altitude. Every operation requires them to face great risks and challenges, to fight with strong winds, fight with high temperatures, fight with bad weather, whether it is hot, summer day, or winter. They do not retreat to stand in the high air. Carefully check every wire, every joint. Their eyes are as sharp as eagles. Their fingers are as flexible as steel pliers. They are always on the alert to prevent accidents and ensure the safe operation of the power grid. They are experts in technology, well-versed in electric power knowledge, and understanding of the construction and operation principles of high-voltage lines. Through the accurate measurement and analysis of their instruments, they are able to detect potential problems in the lines, such as leakage and short-circuiting, and take fast measures to repair them, so as to ensure the stability and safety of the power supply. Their work requires not only courage and wisdom, but also care and patience. They need to climb high towers, climb dangerous peaks, struggle between wires, and face the threat of high voltage current. They need to carefully check every inch of the line to ensure that there are no hidden dangers. Their work is a heap of details, an accumulation of patience, and an expression of responsibility for life. They are the silent guardians, quietly dedicating their youth and sweat. Their work is not known, but their efforts are irreplaceable. Their efforts to make our lives safer, to make the city's power operation more stable, to provide a stable and reliable supply of electricity for people's lives. In China, the reliability rate of electricity in cities and towns has reached 99.975%. This incredible achievement was achieved through the strength and risk of this group of brave and fearless people. In the last decade or so, China has been developing rapidly in extra high voltage transmission technology, and Xingxiao has completed hundreds of transmission projects. Although drones are now used to take photos for inspection, manual maintenance is still essential. Their work is not just a duty, it is a deep commitment to their country and its people. They are the guardians of the power grid security. It's the pride of China's power industry. When we are enjoying every moment of light and warmth at the moment, have we ever thought about those people who are silently guarding us behind the scenes? Whenever night falls and the lights of the city twinkle, let us remember that behind it all are those heroes dancing high in the sky, lighting up our world with their bravery and persistence. This is their story, and it is also Xingxiao's story. Wherever there are power challenges, there is Xingxiao. Feel free to contact us for customized power solutions.